I want y'all to just sit back and think for a second, yeah? You know what I mean? Now, there's a lot of haters out there hating on people, relationships and stuff. Don't nobody want to see you happy. They always trying to take your joy and bring you down when you're feeling good. You did. But you gotta be the one to sit by your man and say, TT, I'ma be with you no matter what. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it, I did wrong, you did wrong too. You know what I'm saying? But we gotta put up with each other shit. The easiest thing to do is leave. You did. Anyway, check this out. Yeah.
I don't wanna lose this relationship, so we gotta stay strong. Don't wanna move on.
I know you're sick and tired of the fussing and the fighting and the cussing, but I love you and you love me too.
I did you wrong.
You did me wrong, boy.
I'll take you back.
I'll take you back.
I did you wrong, girl.
You did me wrong, boy.
I'll take you back. I'll take you back. Yeah,
No matter what you do, no matter what you say, no matter how far you go, don't take your love away.
Because I love you and girl I want you and girl I need you. So let's just work it out. I ain't tryna waste your time.
And I ain't trying to waste my time.
Ain't no need to waste no time, cause we done put in too much time. I ain't tryna waste your time.
Cause I ain't trying to waste my time. Ain't no need to waste no time.
Cause we done put in too much time. When you're in a relationship, the easiest thing for you to do is to leave.
We gotta stick it out and I work it out
And I stick it out, and I work it out, and I stick it out. Cause at the end of the day,